Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to make fish with cardboard. Cut templates, score folds, and assemble pieces using glue and tape. Start by choosing a simple silhouette and trace it twice for body halves. Score fold lines gently to bend fins and tail cleanly without tearing. Use layered strips for strength and small tabs to lock parts together. Take breaks to test fit pieces before gluing for a neat final model. We'll focus on precise cutting and scoring to make the fish look professional. Always cut away from your body and use a ruler for straight edges. Light scoring on the fold side lets you bend cardboard neatly without snapping fibers. For delicate fins, use thinner pieces or sandwich layers for rigidity. Test each bend before gluing and trim any rough edges with small snips for a clean finish. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like. It really supports the channel. Quick recommendation: use those leak-proof containers for snacks and small part storage while you craft. They keep bits sorted and prevent spills. I find them perfect for holding beads, paint, and tiny screws when building models. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now we assemble the fish step by step so it holds its shape. Start by joining the main body halves with tabs and small amounts of glue for alignment. Add internal braces made from thin strips to prevent collapse and strengthen the head and tail. Attach fins with tabs or tiny hinges for slight movement. Finish with a light coat of paint or sealant to protect the surface and enhance details.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.